Welcome to the 7-Day Business Automation Challenge, where I'm going to show you how you can go from prompting and chatting with AI to building real systems that automate up to 80% of your business processes. You should take this course if you find yourself babysitting ChatGPT, prompting, reprompting, copy pasting, and using all these different tools, where you find yourself doing more manual work than you should be. I use a tool, ChatGPT, but this could be Claude, Copilot, Gemini, you name it. In 7 days, you're going to be able to build a tool or micro app that can automate one of your business processes. And this is going to be the exact micro app that I developed for other companies that I've worked with. More on that in just a bit. Plus, you're going to get a clear roadmap of what to automate next. I'm going to shift your belief from, I need to be a coder or a developer to build such cool systems to, what, I've just automated this task and it saved me over 5 hours a week. I'm going to walk you through the full blueprint of the 7-day workshop. My only one rule for this course is that you build along and not just watch. You can watch it at 2x or 3x speed just to find out what it's all about and then come back and start building with me. This is going to be a practical course. So we're going to get your hands dirty. We're going to build a full system that's going to automate some of your workflows. So you're probably asking, why is this course free and what do I gain from all of this? Well, if you look at this roadmap, this is the 7-day challenge that you are on. We have day 1 all the way to day 7. It's going to be a very intensive course. I'm going to give away a lot of value. The only way I benefit is if I am able to give you great value, I build a lot of trust. And if I have a lot of trust, then it's more likely that you'll join my paid membership called the Corporate Automation OS. Previously, it was called the Corporate Automation Library, but OS just fits it that much better. So the 7-day challenge covers more or less what we have over here: how to build a micro app, how to identify problems, how to audit your workflows, how to identify bottlenecks, identifying the problem, and then converting those into micro apps. We've got micro apps for sales, marketing, finance. We've got Intelligence OS as well as Ops OS. Once you have the basics of how to build your first micro apps, I'm going to give you the same micro apps that I use for myself, as well as the ones that I build for other companies that can automate various different departments. And we're going to have much more than this in the upcoming months. We cover all of these at a high level in our 7-day challenge, but you'll also get access to our premium dashboards within the Corporate Automation operating system. And essentially the benefit that you get in the Corporate Automation OS is that you'll get daily calls, better technical support, strategy calls, workshops, and all of my proprietary dashboards and micro apps. Like I've mentioned, I'm going to give you a ton of value and build a lot of trust. So that is why I'm giving you this course for free, so that I can build your trust and I can start working with you to start automating your processes. So you can take what I'm giving you in the 7-day program and build everything yourself. If you feel like this is too much for you, we have a done with you service, which you can access via the Corporate Automation OS. If you feel like, I just don't have time for all of this, then you come to us and say, hey, Ritz, you know what? I just don't have time to implement this. Can you implement this for us? And I'll be like, sure, because every business is different and you'll probably want us to build custom automations for you. So who is this course for? If you are a business owner, an operator, a freelancer, or consultant who's drowning in repetitive work, you probably find yourself dealing with human error, or your team is struggling to get things done without you, then this is for you. If you use AI, but you're doing everything by hand, if you go into ChatGPT or Claude or whatever tool you're using, you type in a prompt, okay, generate me images, generate me articles, LinkedIn posts, whatever it is, or even find me leads, and you have 100 different chats which you're trying to sort through, trying to figure out what goes where. You might have agents doing the work, you may not. And every time it's a mental burden for you and your team to just try to figure out without having all of this overload on your mind. How do we have a simple one-click system to get things done? And trust me, I've been there. I've been prompting, reprompting. I've built automations in many different programs like Zapier, N8N, OpenClaw, and even Claude. Creating micro apps works wonders. And I'm going to show you why in just a bit. The main thing is that you want systems that work and that can run your business, not just another tool that you have to babysit. You want the AI to be proactive rather than you always having to prompt it. You have to be willing to build along, not just watch like I've mentioned. If you're not going to build along, just stop this video right now and watch some other AI video, because this is going to be all about building systems thinking, and getting shit done faster without having you to be the bottleneck all the time. So this course is also for people who have money but no time. You want your hours back every week and you want to reduce human error. One of the biggest issues is people are copying and pasting from one invoice into their CRM. But as the day progresses, they start to make mistakes. And having to go back and check through all of that takes a lot of your time. So whether you're technical or not, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to build these micro apps. You don't have to be a coder. I only know Python, but these days I haven't even touched the code, not once. AI is that good right now. As long as you know how to prompt you can build a full-fledged web app, dashboard, or system that can automate certain processes. So who is this course not for? This course is not for people who want a magic button with zero effort. You're going to build real things here. So if you don't want to get your hands dirty, then skip this video. This course is not for the indecisive. You must take action. You must implement the systems that I'm teaching in the 7 days. Must follow along with this course, and you must be hungry for improvement. At the start, I mentioned that we're going to automate up to 80% of your systems. So that's not to say that if you implement this, you'll automate exactly 80%. Even if you 1% of your current processes using the systems that I'm going to teach you. If you think about it, if you automate 1%, that means of 100 days, you get 1 day back. You can measure that in terms of your employee's hourly rate. 8 hours is a lot of money and a lot of time. We're going to be scratching the surface of what exactly is possible in the realm of automation. The focus is more on the automation part rather than the AI. Because right now you are using AI, but you're not automating. Agents, we're going to mix different tools that include agents, tools, MC servers, APIs, to build the systems that can get you proper results. If all of this sounds scary, I'll be clarifying everything throughout this course. This course is not for people who are happy living inside chatting and prompting and don't want to change how you work. If that works for you, then good. We're going to take it a step further. And this course is also not for people who are not going to do the action steps. Watchers get nothing, builders get results. And then finally, you want it all done for you right now. So that would be more our paid path and not this free course. Like I've mentioned, we do custom businesses where we build the full thing for you. And we have a link down below for you to also work with us. Okay, so why should you trust me? I'm sure there's probably many other gurus out there. Well, if you don't know, my name is Ritesh Kanji from Augmented AI. I've been in the industry for over 11 years, building real automation systems for real companies. I'm going to take you through briefly some of the clients that we've worked with, where we've got the Aussie group, where they were processing their visa migration documents. They were using ChatGPT, they were dragging in their documents, and through prompts and reprompting, they were taking 8 hours just to process one client. Through the systems that we built for them, we managed to cut it in half. For Resolute Robotics, they were doing lead research, which used to take them weeks to get done. What this process involved was to find all of the large schooling groups in Africa. From those websites, they needed to find the key decision makers and gatekeepers for them to contact so that they can sell their product. The system that we designed did deep research to find all of these large schooling groups in Africa within days. They could select whichever country they want to. We should finally output the links to all of these decision makers and their LinkedIn profiles. We've also helped Tshwane University of Technology with their video automation pipeline. They had a 2-month deadline with a 6-month backlog, which meant for a 1-hour course, they would have to spend 6 months to film everything, put everything together, and then finally present it to their students. We swooped in and managed to do this entire 1-hour course using their content, obviously, within 2 weeks. We've also helped Momentum and consulted with them for a forms automation process, which used to take 3 days, and now it's down to 10 minutes. We've also consulted at the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, or JSE, and I've even had the privilege of doing a talk there. So why does this matter to you? Well, this is to show that we've actually worked on these projects. We have these clients and we've built these automations, and these are the return on investment and results that we have achieved for these companies. A lot of people who claim that they are AI gurus or deal with AI agents, a lot of them haven't worked with real companies and are just sharing templates that they have tried and used. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you go to dimensions.com/portfolio, you'll see all of the other companies that we have worked with. And if you want proof of their testimonials, you can go to this tab, Work With Me, and you can watch some of the video testimonials with the companies that we've worked with. So on top of that, we also have testimonials from people that we've worked with within our corporate automation library, which is now our corporate automation. Christopher Berry saying that you won't find a library with high quality workflows, and many other automators that we've worked with. You can pause this video and read through all of these testimonials. If you go on my website, you'll be able to find these people on LinkedIn and maybe reach out to them if you're still skeptical. Also, if you're watching this video on YouTube or anywhere else on the internet, you should definitely join my free school community where you'll find this exact same course there with all of the free resources, documents, blueprints, prompts, whatever it is. We have over 523 members right now. We have a very active community where you can ask questions. We have weekly workshops. We have monthly challenges where you can win some of our premium dashboards. You can see the leaderboard. If you want a direct link, it's at w.school.com/corporate Automation Hub. So in order to get up to 80% automation for any of the tasks that you plan on automating, I want you to make a commitment, not to me, not to anyone else, but for yourself to do right now. After the slide, how many hours a week are you losing prompting, reprompting to get one output? How long does it take you? 10 hours, 5 days, months? Jot that down. Identify the problem. It might take you a couple of days to go through the same workflow you're currently doing, just to figure out, okay, I'm actually editing this video. I'm using the platform called Crypt. I'm using all of these different tools. It requires a lot of my manual input. Is this something that I can actually automate? Most problems are that you are the bottleneck. I've come across a lot of companies where the owner wants to retire or go into semi-retirement, but they're still doing a lot of admin work, a lot of decision making that can be outsourced to AI. And I'm talking about AI in its current state right now. It's just going to get better from here. If you find yourself being a bottleneck in these processes, write that down. Then find out what are the implications of not acting. If you don't automate this process, what could possibly happen? Think about what it will cost you. Will it cost you time? Will it cost you money? Will it cost you reputation? Because if people are generating human slop, or you're having a lot of human error, which means your outputs that are getting generated are causing you reputational damage, that could be very costly for you and your company. Some owners, some founders, some entrepreneurs are working overnight, which means that they probably miss family time, miss dinners. They're not living life. So write down what is it costing you if you are the bottleneck. Now, it doesn't have to be you. It could be someone that's operating your business. It could be someone that you have tasked with doing automation, but it's not doing it that well. It could be everyone in your business, but you need to figure out what is the actual bottleneck that you can then go ahead and automate. You might find that some jobs are redundant. And I'm not saying, replace them completely. You might want to upskill them and maybe get them to do something else that's more meaningful. And then taking a step further with the need payoff. If you got 10 hours a week back, what would you do with them? Now, you're going to write this down. It can be on a piece of paper. It can be on your iPhone. You could type it out on your laptop or on your tablet, or you can go to www.augmentedaiautomation.com/hub_accountability. Click on this link. It'll take you to this free accountability contract. Fill in all of your answers right here. Read this phrase out aloud. I am done being the bottleneck. I will complete all 7 days. I will build my AI operating system. Sign it and make it real. Put your name, date, and your signature wherever you want to. Fill in this entire form, print it out, and hang it on your wall. You're more likely to achieve a particular goal if you see something that you've committed right in front of you, rather than digitally signing it and it gets forgotten on your desktop. This is the choice that you're going to make. This is the first action that I want you to take. And if you're not sure what to answer, get AI to help you. Say, I'm spending my time doing this, it's taking 5 hours. Put that into AI and then come back and fill all of that for you. It can help you brainstorm ideas. So if you're like me, you're probably using Claude, which has memory of you. It'll probably know already where your bottlenecks are before you've even prompted it. Sometimes AI knows you better than you know yourself. So if you go to day 0, you'll find a post that says accountability. The lecture name may change, but if you scroll down, you'll see your accountability post. So once you sign this contract to yourself, upload this document here so that everyone can see. We can all hold each other accountable. Click on one of these that apply to you, or you can go to community over here under accountability. You'll find the exact same post that's pinned there. It'd be really great to see what are the bottlenecks, what are the implications or the cost of you not implementing or automating these processes. And then if you did automate these processes, what would your life look like if you did? This is where your transformation happens. By signing this, you commit to it. Don't worry. If it's too difficult for you, we've got the community to help you. You've got me to help you. We've got weekly workshops. If you want extra help with us to hold your hand along the journey, we've got our corporate automation OS where we have daily calls, and we are also here to help you build it for you. So with that said, that wraps up day 0. If you're ready to get started, let's go straight into day number 1.